everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own cover buttons to look this nice and neat. Okay, so we're going to be using this dice. I'm using size 36. Now in the Nigerian market this is called the foreign dice because this is imported. So we're going to be opening our dice into 3 different parts. The part that sits at the bottom also comes out, but we don't need it to come out, we need it to be here. And the trick to cutting the circles that I need for each size is to place the dice just like this on the fabric and just mark 0.3 away from the body of the dice. Okay, so the first step is for us to take our fabric, determine the right and wrong side. This is the wrong side of my fabric, so it is going to be sitting on top of this like so. And then I'm going to get one of my covers for the button and place it in here, making sure that the fabric has just the right amount on all sides. Nothing too small, nothing too big on all sides. And then I'm going to push this in. I'm going to take the second part of our dice. Now if you look closely, this part has a sharp edge, while this part doesn't. So this part with the sharp edge is what I'm going to be putting in here. Now what's the function of this sharp edge? It is so that it helps us gather the fabric. If you look inside here, you see that this helps us to gather the fabric so that it's all just in the middle. Now the next step is to put the cover of my button in here, and then I'm going to cover it with this last part. Now this part is supposed to sit here on my machine. I'm going to put that in, and then I would take the dice that I already prepared with the button and all and place it here like so, and I would hit this to come down. Now this machine has this handle, so you need to press it like this so that it comes, and then the sound is faint, but you're going to hear like a bang sound. And I take it out, and this is what I have. Nice and simple, and it doesn't come off. It doesn't come off at all. So thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.